Cooking up our pot here. Horsip coming in the camp. This is a horsip. Some people say brown horsip now, but horsip or brown vine snake. This looking more like a male, yeah. It's a male. The only snake with a big hey you come that pot there. Now what most people don't know, or a lot of people wouldn't tell you, is this snake has a slight venom. But the venom again can't affect people. And is one of the few mildly venomous snakes that don't really have fangs. Here you opening him out there. They don't even like bite, they'll open him out. So look at that. No matter how much biting. Yeah, like to threaten plenty. And they don't run you down and beat you because look at it, right? Can't really move that fast. Slow snake. So how it can run you down and beat you. He is moving the fastest he can move there. Not very fast snakes. See, what they do is maneuver real good through branches and things, but they're not real fast snakes. He must be come out from that bush over there. Go and put him in the tree. In the tree here. Let me go here, merry way. Yeah. And go back to cooking. Yep, a nice pilau there. Nice pilau. Moist pilau. Bush pilau. Pilau. On camp, in the fire over there. In camp here, you see these holes all over the ground, right? Interestingly enough, that is not water drops or anything. That is, I think this one big enough. Alright, you see that movement there? See that movement there? I'm gonna go back to this one. That is, let me get it to come on. Right, this. That is an antlion. The larvae of some, well, the nymph of some kind of bug. I can't remember the bug. But this is dig through the soil. It's digging the soil, dig around, and then create these holes. Now what happens is it like to feed on ants. So ants would come crawling around here, and then you see how they do it falling, and then they'll struggle and kind of slide in. If they're sliding in, the antlion would flick up its head, throw in dirt, and it fall in, and then he'll feast on the ants. So this here, no, he upside down. It's an antlion. Not really an ant, but a lion. We now gonna leave camp there. Look, decamp, not really recamp. We now going over so. I need to move. Well, you know the way. Interesting. baby. They're on the move. A cockroach snake. Those cockroach right next to me, like the tail. He head somewhere, so.
He head right here, watching you.
Oh, right there. Run your close up picture and thing of him. So, this is a snake a lot of people is mistake for the machete, but actually it's not. It's in the same family as tigres and yellow belly puffs. This snake has a weird behavior of not really running away. It does run, but not that much. The snake would sometimes stand up and watch you and will not hesitate to bite. But it is non-venomous. But some studies show that it have a very slight venom, but it's not even considered venomous. So I'm trying to hold this snake here. Ugh. Oh, gosh. Oh, shit. You're not allowing me to handle him. Here at a better angle. The snake is. You see how this rattle the tail? I used to warn you. So you could leave them alone. They are boreal. Look, you see it biting them already. Oosh, bite. Look at that. Now they don't have long teeth like mackerel and cascabel, but the behavior, you see that behavior, how they puff up, and one of the reasons why they call puffin snake. And as I say, it's very difficult to handle this and not get bite on you unless you hold it. But some names they have is like bird-eating snake, dos cocorite, cutla, and I think liana, same names as the machete, but they are not really a machete. Now, unlike the machete, this only has yellow on the chin and neck, but on the other, along the whole body, it don't have any yellow, but green, light green, dark green, and the babies have a kind of orange stripe sometimes. Now they do retain stripes, but it's only visible once they flatten out. These snakes' main diet is, just as the name says, birds, but they do eat lizards, frogs, and occasionally insects. But see how the snake behaving? An interesting snake. Look at this. So this is the puffin action I was talking about, the puffin self-defense. This is to make themselves look bigger, and that's why they have the name puffing snake. And so if you corner them, so they'll puff, rattle their tail, and if you corner them, they will defend themselves by striking, and they won't hesitate. Oh no, now we're gonna release them after we get some pictures and thing. Yeah. Okay. We're going quite up there. Ugh. Going up. Yep, a boreal snake indeed. Look at it go. Gonna see to go back through the bush, so see what more we find. Ugh.
Tutus, I reach back home.
Yeah. Yeah, real bush.
We're in the Amazon, guys. In the swamps of Guyana. Looking for the mighty anaconda.
Oh wow,
Just come across this ant's nest, and that's fungus. Like how leaf cutter have fungus. but they're just building it on the bark. And there is more in there. I have no idea what species of ants this is, but it's cool. It have fungus. It's like the leafcutter ants that is grow fungus and thing to, eat. But these grow it on the outside, on our bark, just so, and it's different. I mean, they could be growing fungus or they could be growing something else. I really don't know. First time I see in this species of ants. Interesting. So we heading back to camp there now. We walk a good way. My battery is dying, so we're going to head back there and see what we see on the way. Going back there, we'll show you if we find anything. Sun is setting. We have to get ready for the other trip. Yeah, we reach back at camp day. Go and take a little rest. We eat something in an hour or so. Oh, fire cool. Yeah. So, go and rest up. And I think there's the end of the vlog. And there's the end of this vlog. And then we go and go again later as the sun set. But that'll be for another time. As I said, we go in and explore later as the sun set and again night, but that'll be for the another vlog. Yeah, the other vlog which coming up in about a week time again. And well, we saw some interesting things. Yeah, so as y'all know, I'm the Wildlife Master. We'll see you again in the next vlog, and until next time, blessings and bless out.